Hello everyone, this is Annette. Welcome to my scrapbooking corner. I'm here with another layout titled Sweater Weather, and the background is going to be Basil cardstock, and this is my great nephew, and that floral layer is from Hip Kit Club Sweater Weather. And my photo mats I also used. It's the black and white wall, as you can see right there as I'm putting them down. That's going to be my photo mats. Alright, so that diamond shaped chipboard frames, those are Hip Kit Club Sweater Weather. And I was going to punch them out because they are actually, you can punch the insides out and have even more, but I decided to just keep it all together because I know when I have the circles and the, I don't know if they were pentagons or hexagons, they may have been hexagons, I don't remember, to punch out the middles. It was just a lot of stickers, and I never used them all. And I'm glad I kept it this way because I really like how it turned out, just keeping it all together. And then I have these wooden veneer buttons, which are Hip Kit Club's Sweater Weather. And then I just took white cardstock and cut journaling strips for me to do my journaling. And then I'm sorry, of course, Theo has to make his debut. And then Sweater Weather is a chipboard sticker from Sweater Weather as well, of course. Sweater Weather. And then I'm going to put two sweaters behind that, which are die cuts. And then I use in the corner of the left picture, and I was trying to debate where to put the title, but that's where I put it. And in the upper right corner is where I put some die cut clusters. I put some. I just do cluster 3. In this case, it's 3, but it also includes the title. So I do Sweater Weather with 2 sweaters. And I wasn't so sure, but a lot of times when I'm not loving a layout, a lot of times when I put it away and I move on to other layouts, and then when I go to take its pictures or I come back to it later, I think, oh, well, that's not so bad. And I'm not sure. I've been really tired today. I don't know why. It's been, ugh, I feel like I have no energy. Anyway, so that is going to pretty much complete my layout. I'm going to do some ink splatters, and that is about it. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.